Thank you for choosing EasySkinz. Enjoy this special video tutorial, where we show, step by step, how exactly to apply your OnePlus 10 Pro skin. Let's begin with cleaning your device from dust and fingerprints. Now apply the camera part carefully. Use the charging port and the speakers as helping points for the bottom part. We recommend heating these elements to ensure exceptionally smooth final results. Align the top part carefully. You can use a standard hairdryer. Let's continue with the rear part. First, remove the skin from the 3M paper. Now let's focus on the 3 helping points on the back. Start from the outer edges and work your way inwards. Apply pressure to activate the adhesive only when you're completely satisfied with the position of the skin. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media, so you don't miss out on our exclusive deals and new drops.